In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Slack status with Google Calendar. If you've ever missed a message during a meeting or had teammates wonder whether you're available, this setup will save you time and remove the guesswork. Once you're done, Slack will automatically set your status when a meeting is on your Google Calendar, so everyone knows you're busy without you lifting a finger. We'll start inside Slack. Head to the Apps section and find the Google Calendar app. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to look it up, then choose to add it to your workspace. Some workplaces require admin approval to install apps, so if you're missing the add option, you may need to ask your admin to enable it. When it's installed, you'll see the Google Calendar app appear in your sidebar, ready to go. Next, open the Google Calendar app inside Slack and connect your Google account. Slack will prompt you to sign in through a secure Google window. Choose the correct account you actually use for your meetings and grant the requested permissions, like access to your calendar. These permissions are necessary so Slack can read your meeting times and update your statuses at the right moments. If you work with multiple Google accounts, pick the one that holds the calendar you want to sync. You can change or disconnect this later if needed. Now, enable status syncing in the app settings. Inside the Google Calendar app Home tab in Slack, look for the Settings or Preferences area and turn on the option to sync your Slack status with your calendar. From now on, whenever you have a meeting scheduled, Slack will automatically set a clear status such as in a meeting, usually with a calendar emoji, and it will clear that status when the meeting ends. This means your teammates can instantly see you're tied up and you don't have to remember to toggle anything before or after calls. A few tips to make this seamless. Make sure the events you want to trigger the status are on the same Google Calendar you connected, and that they're marked as busy rather than free. If your time zone recently changed, update it in Google Calendar so the timing lines up in Slack. And if you ever need a break from automatic updates, you can pause or turn off status syncing from the same settings area, then re-enable it when you're ready. That's it. Install the Google Calendar app, connect your Google account, and enable status syncing. With those steps, the Slack will handle your availability for you, so you can focus on your work and your meetings without missing a beat.